What's up, you guys? So today we're going to be building Ray Leo a wheelbarrow. I saw it at Tractor Supply Company. It was $24.99, and I thought it was about time we put Ray Leo to work. So yeah, I got it. Now we gotta open it up. Let me get some tools, okay?
Okay.
It doesn't come assembled, but the kit comes with the wheel, bracket, screws, and handles. Personally, I kind of like it that way so I can teach Ray Leo some mechanical skills. That way he can put in a little work and actually build something that he's proud of. Alright.
Got the wheel.
You think you can read me the instructions?
No. It looks like an M for mama. See? That it looks like an M.
Oh yeah, huh?
For mama.
Good job.
Okay.
There's the one right there.
Yes, I know.
Are you bored?
No.
Oh. How come you sound bored? Ray Leo is kind of like me. He tends to get impatient when he doesn't see things moving along. But at the same time, this is our normal father and son interaction and banter. Regardless, I love these moments with my son. I get to spend time with him, I teach him a thing or two, and we get to do something other than watching TV all day. Okay, same thing here, look. Make sure the nut goes inside of the socket, okay? This is a socket. I mean, look at him. He is so smart. He's doing amazing. I remember at his age, I was barely even using wrenches and pliers. Okay. And here he is using a ratchet. I love it. That's my boy. Getting caught on the bolt. You want to put some here? Put it on top and you press it in.
It's done.
Good job. Give me a hug. Give it a spin. Yeah? Alright. Your first job with your wheelbarrow is to take the plants. Take our new plants over to the garden.
Okay.
To our beds.
My pleasure.
There you go. Take it around to the side. Good job. Take it on that side. My future gardener. Was that easy, Ray Leo? Good job. Did you have fun making that wheelbarrow? Yeah, now you're gonna be gardening with me a lot more, huh? Nice. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.